how to export Gmail messages and download it to your local computer. Google gives you an option to download the data stored in your Google account. All you need to do is log into your account and find Account Management section. There you will see Data and Privacy menu option. If you're using a mobile device, it'll be a tab. Within that section, you'll have Download Your Data option. This is called Google Takeout. What you can do is take a look at what you can download. You can select everything if you want instead of just Gmail, or you can search for Gmail on this page. Perhaps your contacts, that could be helpful. Let's say here, as we can see, Google gives you an option to download your Gmail data, messages and attachments in your Gmail account, and as in Mbox format. Use the settings from Gmail account in JSON format. You can surely read more about it and see the type of data Google gives you an option to download. So let's imagine we selected this. Next, simply press next step. You have two options. One is you can let Google to create the export file and actually email you, whereby you can press on the link to download your Gmail data. Or you can actually save to Drive or other service providers. You can export everything all at once, or you can even schedule exports, okay? So then it'll be in zip file. In Windows operating system, when you download it, you simply right click and extract a zip file. Then all you need to do is press on Create Export.